Men, let me tell you something most of us miss. One of the most supportive things you can do for a woman is simply to listen, not to fix, not to solve, just listen. When she says, I have had such a stressful day, everything went wrong at work, that's not always a request for, here's what you should do. Sometimes she just wants to feel heard. Or when she says, I don't know why my friend said that to me, it hurts so much. She is not necessarily asking for you to analyze her friend's behavior. She's sharing because it helps her feel connected to you. If you rush in with advice, you might actually push her away. Because in that moment, she doesn't need to be fixed, she needs to be heard. So here's your challenge for the next week. When a woman speaks, listen with empathy, with respect, with presence. Bite your tongue when you feel the urge to offer a solution. Just be there, just listen, and watch how much she appreciates you, not for fixing anything, but for being her safe place.